I'm ready, Mom. It's career day.
But the alarm, you're wearing a suit? Career day? But we don't have much time. Let's go.
But, Mom,
Wait, it is so quiet. Where is your father and Emma?
they are visiting Grandma. Remember?
Okay. Then I must get your lunch ready quickly. Here is a sandwich and an apple. Do not forget to eat it.
Thanks, Mom.
Please put on your shoes quickly. We must go now.
I am wearing my shoes. I am ready. Are you wearing pajamas to drop me off?
It is fine. I will not get out of the car. No one will see me. Mom, we have 10 minutes. Seatbelt, I'm already done. Let's go.
Mom,
What, honey?
your pajamas at school?
We are late. No choice.
Look, Mom, the school is very near.
Yes, I see it.
Can you please stop here, 2 blocks away?
Okay, I understand. You go.
Thanks, Mom. Love you.
Love you too, honey. Time to go home. But what is this? Oh my God! Jack forgot to take the lunch bag with him. He needs his lunch. I must give it to him. But I cannot go out. Jack will be so embarrassed if his friends see me like this. What can I do? What can I do? Wait. The sunglasses! With these, no one will know who I am. Wow. It is very dark. I cannot see anything. But they cannot see me. Good. Quick and quiet. In and out. Where are you, Jack? Oh! 2 people! I must hide! It is too dark. I cannot see. What is this place?
This is the boys' room.
Oh, I know. Just checking. Very clean. Good job.
Cool bunny ears.
Whew, that was close. But I am safe now. No one saw me.
Jack's mom? Why were you in the boys' room?
I was looking for Jack. Here is his lunch. How do you know who I am?
The bag. It says Jack.
Oh, this is so embarrassing. I thought with the sunglasses no one would know me.
But look at you! Great pajama day spirit! Anna, those pajamas are perfect!
Today, pajama day? I thought it was career day.
Yes, you know what? We need someone to talk about pajama day spirit. You are exactly what we need.
No, I am too shy. I must go.
Okay, I understand. You are shy. But let us find Jack first. He is in there. Just look.
Thank you, Mr. Gable. Nice suit, Jack. Are you a waiter? Hey, waiter! Bring me some juice!
Oh dear, they are teasing him.
A waiter? Not my son. We have to stop this!
Look at them. They are just playing.
Playing? How can you be so calm?
Did your mommy dress you? Ha ha! His mommy is weird!
Weird? Is that what they think? Okay, fine. Let's be weird. Mr. Gable, I changed my mind. I will do it.
Are you sure? They are teasing Jack. Are you okay?
I am fine. Open the door.
Don't be nervous, Anna. Just speak from the heart.
From the heart. Right. Easy.
Wow, look at those ears! So fluffy! So cool! Hi, I'm here because...
Mom? No!
That's your mom?
You know what? I came here for my son. My son didn't wear pajamas today. Do you know why?
Why? Yeah, why?
Because he has a secret job.
Secret job?
What?
Huh? What is she doing?
Last Tuesday night, do you remember? You all slept really well?
Yeah, I did it! Best sleep ever!
That's because Agent Midnight was on duty. 3 nightmare monsters tried to sneak into the school, but Agent Midnight stopped them, all by himself, in his black suit.
Really? I can't believe it. This is amazing. Tell us more! Tell us more!
And that's why he wears a suit. It's his uniform. He is Agent Midnight.
Agent Midnight?
Oh no, Mom, no!
That young man, in the black suit.
Him? Agent Midnight? Jack is Agent Midnight?
He looks like a normal student. That's the point. He protects you while you sleep. Every night when you're asleep, Agent Midnight is awake, watching, protecting. And that suit? That's not for career day. That's his agent uniform. Right, Agent Midnight? Every agent needs equipment. These are for you, Agent.
Mom, know everyone's watching.
Trust me, honey, please. Take these.
Okay, Mom, I'm in.
Cool! That's the spirit. And finally, his tactical briefcase. And then he pulled out a briefcase. A briefcase! Yes, he's a secret agent on a mission.
He's a real agent! So cool!
Your mission equipment, Agent Midnight.
Thank you, Mom.
Wow, he looks so cool! Amazing!
Just doing my job, keeping everyone safe.
They were making fun of an agent! That's so mean! Sorry, Jack, we didn't know. Yeah, sorry, Agent Midnight.
It's okay. No hard feelings.
Let's hear it for Agent Midnight!
All right, settle down.
Can I be an agent too? What's in the briefcase? You're so cool!
Maybe someday. It's classified. Thanks.
That was amazing. Best speech ever.
I just made it up as I went.
You should speak here more often.
Maybe next pajama day, if I survive this one.
Bye, Agent Midnight! See you tomorrow!
Stay safe, everyone. Mom, I'm sorry I was embarrassed of you.
Honey, I'm embarrassed of me too sometimes.
But you still came. In bunny pajamas.
Of course, you're my Agent Midnight.
And you're my bunny hero. Look at that. That is real magic.
He is so lucky.
Catch you later, guys.
Be good. Do your homework.
Wait a minute, I swear I saw that giant bunny in the boys' bathroom earlier. Totally